What should I do for the long waiting time of the outpatient or hospitalization appointment?
Don't worry about it. The one-stop booking service for medical appointment provided by Prudential's partner provider allows you to receive treatment more quickly by saving you time from long waiting lists and clumsy booking procedures. Please visit the online portal or call the 24-hour Medical Green Channel hotline for service enrollment. Your dedicated case manager will contact you within 24 hours by phone to understand your needs after your service enrollment is completed. After a successful appointment booking, you will receive notifications via email and SMS. Additionally, you will receive a warm reminder one day before your outpatient or hospitalization appointment. If you need escort services, the escort staff will call you in advance to confirm the meeting point, time and materials to be brought on the day of outpatient visit or hospitalization, and assist you on the registration process for outpatient or hospitalization on the appointment day. Please scan the QR code for service enrollment if you have Prudential's designated medical plan. Or you can call the 24-hour service hotline to get the priority booking for medical services. You can visit our website to obtain more information or contact the 24-hour Medical Green Channel service hotline for the inquiries.